Hello everyone and welcome back to our Thermador kitchen. My name is Chef John Cardona and this month we have a treat for you. We're cooking a what is in season recipe from Garden & Gun magazine on our 30-inch masterpiece Pedestal star burner gas cooktop. So what we made here today are these beautiful royal red shrimp rolls. And royal red shrimp are my favorite shrimp in the market. They're red in color, and why they're my favorite, they're sweeter and a lot more tender than your average shrimp, and they're higher in salinity than your average shrimp as well. To me, they taste and their texture are similar to lobster meat's base scallops. So very, very tasty and very tender. So what we're gonna do here today is we're going to be poaching these royal red shrimp on our 18,000 BTU power burner on its extra low lowest setting, actually setting number 4. So let's go ahead and add our water to this. We're gonna add our wine. And I'm gonna set this on high. And while that's on high, I'm gonna go ahead and add our thyme. That's about 3/4 ounce thyme, 2 teaspoons of multi-peppercorns. I have 3 bay leaves that we're gonna add in here. So what we wanna do now is we wanna wait for our Court Bouillon to come to a boil. Once our liquid comes to a boil, we're gonna turn it down to medium heat. After 20 minutes of simmering your Court Bouillon, what you want to do is you want to turn off your heat. And we're going to let it sit here for about maybe 10 minutes or so until it reaches 150 degrees. So once you drop your shrimp inside, you want to go ahead and turn this on to high. And we're going to leave it on high for about 3 to 4 minutes or until your liquid is 150 degrees temperature to poach our shrimp. While our shrimp are poaching in our Court Bouillon, what I do want you to pay attention is a clicking sound. Thermador installed this safety feature because on extra low, on the 5 extra low settings, it's so quiet that you can barely hear that your burners are on. Our shrimp have been poached, cooled down completely, peeled, deveined, and patted dried. We're going to cut these depending on how you want. I like cutting them in half. But if you want smaller pieces, you can cut them in thirds. It's time to make our mayonnaise mixture for our shrimp. We're gonna start off with mayonnaise. That's 1 cup. We have 1 lemon and a lemon zest, about half a teaspoon of jalapeno seeded, about a teaspoon of honey. This is gonna add a layer of sweetness to it. Some red wine vinegar. Once all of your ingredients are in your bowl, you're gonna whip it. That smells so good. We're gonna add our shrimp to that, and we're gonna fold our shrimp in with our mayonnaise mix. Now I'm gonna set this in the refrigerator while we get our other pots and pans ready. Now we're going to grab some bread and we're going to brush them with a little bit of extra butter. 40 seconds up to a minute on each side for them to brown off on a medium temperature. Ladies and gentlemen, we just browned off our rolls here and we're about to stuff them. So all you have to do is just gently open your shrimp rolls like so you can throw in some of this gorgeous shrimp mixture we have here. Garnish it with a little bit of herbage. I have some parsley over here, some chopped parsley that we're gonna just... Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us today in our kitchen. We hope you enjoy cooking this recipe on our Thermador 30-inch masterpiece gas cooktop. Now it's time for my family and friends to sit down, share stories, and laugh and have a good time. Enjoy these beautiful morsels of love. Bon appetit. See you next time.